You made it!
Yeah. Oh,
You like dogs, right?
yeah. Hey, buddy. Do you have hand sanitizer? Oh,
I think he wants you to play with him.
oh. Go get it, buddy.
That's it.
What's this?
A treat for Oliver.
Oh, go get it, buddy.
I know I asked you this earlier, but you do like dogs, right?
Yeah, so I've been meaning to tell you. I don't hate them,
I'm listening.
but I don't like them.
Done listening.
No, wait.